2013 Chrysler Town & Country at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Chrysler is well equipped with a V6 engine, power sliding doors, a power liftgate, third row seats, leather seats, a power moonroof, power and heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, a backup camera, tri-zone auto climate with rear controls, 2-drop video screens, 0 accidents, stow and go seats, under 120,000 miles. It's under $13,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-257-5338.